KTV Herbal Remedies. That's the website on Etsy. Anyway, I'm here for this beautiful, magnificent medicinal herbs once more. It's called purple vervain, of course. We have it here in a most authentic, true, raw farms crush, because this hit the bloodstream right away through these capsules that are made from natural cellulose. Alright, so I'm here to tell you about 13 health benefits about purple vervain where you don't want to miss. You go want the plant here in your food, your diet. Well, I said nutrition, leave diet alone. Number 1, it is effective in treating stress and anxiety. You ever hear say you have a plant that can help you with stress and anxiety? This is the plant that is here to free your mind, my friend. It depends on the frequency. The number 2, it helps to improve digestion. Any form of ulcer, stomach, acid reflux, the plant here come here to help you. Next, number 3, it's a natural pain reliever. Left Panadol alone, left them there alone, see the help here. Number 4, it is anti-inflammatory. Any form of blunted, lick, hit, or lumps that is in the body, this go dissolving naturally. Number 5, it can be used to treat arthritis and asthma. Yes, it naturally is a mucus remover. Come here, my people, and sit down your son and listen. Number 6, purple vervain strengthen organs such as the liver, the kidney, the intestine, as well as the lungs. It soothes the lungs and the nervous system. Una hear me? Number 7, it is used to treat what? Infection and abdominal pain. Yo, this a clean the colon. You know, so when you catch colon cancer, me can't call the right name, you can't come back because it's very detrimental. You have to pass out your feces properly. This will help to wash and flush the intestine, both large and small. Number 8, purple vervain is naturally has oxytocin, our baby herb. You know what oxytocin do? It is the hormone that stimulates milk letdown in baby mothers. This is what this do when your baby feeding. Purple vervain can help you if you let down milk, if you lack milk in your breast. Number 9, it helps to erase the symptoms of menopause, and it helps with heat flashes if you're going through menopause, ladies. And this I herbs to you. Number 10, it is a natural source of phosphorus and magnesium and other minerals, so don't take this as normal. Number 11, purple vervain clears up blocked fallopian tubes in woman. This is called the baby herb. If you want to breed CTA, man, if you want to increase your sperm's count, and this a hit. Also, it works in the alternative route for both man and woman, because guess what? I tell you, the herb is powerfully come here. It's the healing of the nation. Number 12, purple vervain increase women fertility, which allows the woman to conceive faster. What me say make you woman do? And last but not least, number 13, it is said by the ancient spiritualists that the purple vervain is called the witch herb. They said it can, what it can do, it can carry around in your pocket for protection. It is used to ward off evil spells and negative energy. Yes, the witches usually use it as rings and chains around them to go through different form of spiritual war that you're going through. This herb no normally carry good luck if you carry peace in your pocket and your purse. Me done with it though. Peace and light. Me giving you all me have. And you don't know, one more try. Knowledgeable true virgin pan the motivational train.